What the hell? Man, look at that.
Oh, hello boys. Morning fellas.
Yeah, what a spot.
Fuck yeah. Not bad at all for day 2. And that is a well-packed bike.
Wouldn't it be like a bit further down?
It was a masterpiece.
Now we don't have to do anything. We just sit back and relax.
Update. This fine sand is not the best of the news.
So Nick went off-road and it's currently in a bush. We've been going back and forward about 100 meters for the last half an hour trying to get through some sand dunes.
Nick bike 1, sand. Basically sand is still winning.
That's one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life.
I genuinely think it is too.
These bunch of idiots are trying to light a fire.
There we go.
Update. Looks like we can start a fire.
Morning fellas. Luckily we're gonna go for a surf now, which is about time because we've been carrying the board for so long. It's dented and everything. So for sure we'll remember this trip.
Well, I hope there's some waves.
Let's see what happens today with this surf.
Third beach check.
What do you reckon, Ed?
I reckon whether there's any surf or not, you guys have got to go in.
We found the waves.
We finally found something. Can you believe we made it here?
We made it! We made it!
Can you believe we made it here?
We are here, man. It's been amazing. Well, I guess this is how our day ends. 3 with Ed and with Nick in this beautiful paradise.
Alright, let's go to the pub.